Hello farmers, welcome to Cherry Center. Many farmers have been requesting for feeding program. Here it is. So we'll be taking through how we can create the feeding program from day 0 to 2 weeks. So here we'll start with week 1, half 15 grams, week 2, 20, week 3, 25, week 4, 35, week 5, 35, week 6, 45, week 7, 50, and week 8, 60 grams. So calculation of feeding program, we use the formula by number of birds times grams times days, that were 1,000. So we shall use this all grams to calculate each per week. So 100 grams times 15 times 7 we get 10.5 with 2. For week 2 we shall use 20 grams, with 3 we shall use 25 grams times 7 we get 17.5. Week 4 we shall use 25 grams by 7 we shall get 24.5. Week 5 we shall maintain 35. Week 6 we shall use 100 by 45 grams by 7 shall get 35 or 31.5. Week 7 we shall use 50 grams by 7 by 100 divided by 1,000 shall get 35 kg. Week 8 shall use 60 grams by 7 by 100 divided by 1,000 shall get 42 kg. So we shall get the total number of this kg from week 1, that's 10.5 plus 14 plus 17.5 plus 24.5 plus 24.5 plus 31.5 plus 35.5 plus 35 plus 42, we shall get 99.5. We round off, we get 200 kg. Getting the number of bags we divide by 50, we get 4. To get the price, we shall get 4 bags and 900, getting 15,600. The feeding